In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw your money from crypto.com to your bank account. Make sure you stay until the end so your withdrawal goes smoothly. Let's get started. First, go to crypto.com and sign into your account using your email and passcode. Then, go to the Accounts section on the lower left corner of the dashboard to see your balances. In your USD Fiat wallet, click the three dots on the right side to open more options. Choose Withdraw from the drop-down menu to begin the process. Just follow the on-screen prompts. For this video, I'm required to verify my bank account first, and my verification is still pending, so be sure to link and verify your bank account before proceeding. Bonus tip: use ACH transfer if available. It's usually free and faster compared to wire transfers, but double-check the withdrawal limits and fees on your account. And that's how to withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials. See you next time!